Welcome back to Tales from a Whiteboard. Today, we're drawing conclusions about side hustles and how the right one can help you earn extra spending money without asking for a raise. You might be thinking, that sounds great, but what's a side hustle? A side hustle is any paid gig, project, or work you take on in addition to a full-time job. For example, if you work a 40-hour week in an office and deliver groceries on the weekends, grocery delivery is your side hustle. So how do you know if a gig like this is right for you? Let's make a quick list of pros and cons. First, the pros. As a side hustler, your earning potential is unlimited. The more projects you take on, the more money you make. Taking on a side hustle also allows you to be your own boss, set your own hours, and work your schedule around your life. Are you a carpenter, tutor, skilled decorator, or musician? With a side hustle, you can boost your bank account by doing something you truly love. There are some downsides, though. One con is that time management can be challenging, especially if you're trying to balance a full-time job and responsibilities at home. Side hustles can also get expensive. Unexpected costs and rising prices on essentials like raw materials, equipment, and fuel can make it tough to maintain a healthy bottom line. And let's not forget, focusing too much on your side hustle can distract you from your full-time work. If you're not careful, your primary source of income can be affected. Despite these challenges, the right side hustle can help you achieve financial freedom. And that's the greatest pro of all.